In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find your blocked list on Facebook in just a few steps. And before we start with this video, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe for more similar tutorials like this one. Let's open the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone and make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. I'm already logged in, and we now have to open our Facebook app settings. We can do that by tapping on this menu option at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, we're going to tap on the Settings and Privacy option in order to expand it. Select Settings now, and then you're going to get to the Facebook Settings page, and that's just what we need. I'm then going to scroll all the way down until I get to this Audience and Visibility section, and in here, you're going to see the blocking option, so just click on it in order to open the list of all the different accounts which you've blocked on Facebook. I only have 3 accounts here, but maybe you have more. If you've changed your mind and you want to unblock that person, you can simply click on Unblock and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.